Hello and welcome to Easy French. My name is Sangita and today we are doing lesson number 24. Écrivez selon l'exemple means write as given in the example. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, before starting, a request that go through this video first and then you come back to this lesson because in this lesson you will be needing names of colors in French. In this lesson, I have explained in detail how and why the colors in French they change. Okay, so please go through this video. It's very necessary and it's a very interesting video. So let's start. So now it says write as given in the example. So I'll show you one example. So le livre est bleu means the book is blue. So you have to now, book is masculine, you know. So we are writing the masculine article. So with the article, you can make out that the book is masculine. Okay. Now flower you should know masculine or feminine. So it's feminine. So la fleur est and then bleu blue. Now, blue will take an E. Why? Because flower is feminine. So you have to do rest of the sentences in the same way. So let's see the next sentence. So now what is this? A pencil. Pencil is what? In French, crayon. So there's a video on school objects or what is in your school bag. The link is there. Go through it. So you will know all the masculine and feminine of all the objects that are in your bag. Ruler, rubber, pencil, sharpener, everything. Okay. So over here now let's see the sentence. Le crayon est brun means the pencil is brown. Okay. Brun is brown. Now, this is feminine ruler, you know. So, la règle. So, la règle est. Now, what you are going to do? You have to put the brown color in feminine form. Okay. So, you should know your colors very well. So, la règle est brune. Brune because we have added an E to it. Okay. So, the ruler is brown. Clear? Next sentence. Now hat is masculine or feminine? It's masculine. And in French, we say chapeau. So, le chapeau est gris. Le chapeau est gris means the hat is gray. Now, this table is also gray. It's masculine or feminine? Feminine in French, la table, isn't it? So, la table est and gris will take an E. So I request again go through the video of colors. So la table est gris. Now gray color will take an E. So now we are going to read it as la table est grise. Okay. The pronunciation also changes. Now drapeau. Drapeau is what? Masculine or feminine flag? Flag is masculine. So le drapeau est blanc. Le drapeau est blanc. A car will be masculine or feminine. So guys, there's a video on in the shorts on color white. Go through it. It's very totally different. In masculine feminine, the color changes completely different spelling. Okay. So le drapeau est blanc. Now in feminine, car is feminine. So la voiture. So la voiture est. Now for white color, you will say blanche. La voiture est blanche means the car is white. The flag is white. Understood? Now next. Now next is a stylo. Stylo means pen. Masculine or feminine? Masculine. So le stylo est rouge. Le stylo est rouge means the pencil is red. Now chair. Chair is masculine or feminine? It's feminine. So la chaise est. Now you have to put rouge, red. So what you are going to do? Rouge. Nothing will change. E is already there. E is here. So especially there are some colors which do not change in masculine and feminine. They remain the same. Some colors do not change at all. So please, I request go through the video of colors. I have given the link in the description box. Okay. So la chaise est rouge. So guys, before ending, a small request that please like the video and don't forget to put your valuable comment, and please go through the video of indefinite article, definite article and the accents and colors. Okay. So now this is what a cahier. So cahier is a notebook. So masculine or feminine? It's masculine. So lakaye a ve. So green color will be ve in masculine form. Okay. So the notebook is green. Now the rubber is masculine or feminine? It's feminine in French. So la gomme. So la gomme est ve. Again green color, but the spelling will change. It will take a feminine version. Okay. So la gomme est verte with a E. So la cahier est vert, the notebook is green, and la gomme est verte means the rubber is green. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video. Thank you.